So hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about how the TV man teleport ability works. This is a really controversial debate which has been going on since a while now, and it's not really solved yet. But I think I have the most sensible and the most good theory right here, and I'll try to explain it to you. So the teleportation ability is basically too easy to understand. You just need to put some brain in it. So the teleportation ability is basically seen in the TV man race, which can teleport themselves and others with them, and including others which can be an object, an human, or even an agent. They can even contain a skibidi toilet in the teleportation ability, which takes a little to teleport them, because it's not instant, but it can be instant. It takes about 2 to 3 seconds to fully teleport them, which can be called instant. And I'm also going to tell about why the TV man Titan could not escape in the episode 77 part 4. So let's start. So first let's understand what is the range of TV man teleportation ability. The range is indirectly infinite but directly not infinite, because I'm going to show you how it works. A TV man can teleport from his base to another place, and it could be anything in the world, and from there he can teleport back to his base. But he cannot teleport anywhere else instead of his base, because that's exactly how it works. It's like a checkpoint where they can only teleport to their base. But once they are in their base, the base can power them to teleport anywhere in the world, which works for every TV man, including the scientist and the Titan TV man. Because as we saw in the full episode, the base can teleport itself and teleport others as well. So that proves that TV man can only teleport to base and their base to another place, which is really cool in my opinion. And the reason that Titan TV man couldn't escape in episode part 4 is because his TV was damaged. Anyone can teleport unless they have the TV. The TV screen is the whole reason that they can teleport. As we saw, every TV man can teleport because they have their screen. And Titan TV man got their screen broken in the episode 77 part 3. That's why he couldn't teleport fast in episode 77 part 4. He could teleport, but he could not teleport that fast. His screen was broken, that's why his system was also broken. Because we can see that in episode 77 part 3, when he teleported at first, he was so fast that it was almost instant. But when he tried to get away in part 4, he cannot. And the reason is because of his broken screen. And the reason the screen is important is because we also saw in the scientist that when the scientist had his screen, he could teleport anywhere. But his limitations was also set. As we saw, the scientist teleported from episode 65 to episode 66, where he teleported from the airport to his base. To confirm my theory, the scientist teleported to his base because he could not teleport anywhere else because of this ability. They can only teleport to their base where the checkpoint is set. And as soon as the TV of the scientist toilet was destroyed in episode 67, he could not teleport. I mean, he tried to, but he could not. And the reason is because his TV screen was broken by the TV man. If the TV was still there, he could teleport away easily. We can see the smoke was coming out, but it was too slow because the screen was broken. And if you talk about the skibidi toilet in episode 55, which teleported by the TV man ability, I have a theory for him as well. So the skull skibidi toilet which appeared in episode 55 was not teleported by his screen. He was teleported by the scientist toilet from his base to anywhere else. Because of course in the TV man base, they can teleport anywhere from their base. The same is in the scientist. He had a system where he can teleport anywhere and teleport others anywhere else as well. So that proves every skibidi toilet that has teleported and every TV man that has teleported. I hope this helped you understand how the TV man teleportation works, and I hope you can like the video and subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.